Hey guys, so you know this microphone Razer 7X, I made a tutorial in English, and this time I redo it to make a tutorial in French. This one will be a really big tutorial, 10 hours I think. And as you can see now the modeling is finished. And if I zoom on the object, I was full details because I wanted to go further than the previous one. And as you can see, all of this is polygon, and I made all of this, all the details on this part, etc., on all the parts. The text, the logo, here. This one I need to activate the subsurf on this grid. So if I just, for example, hide the USB, I have all the details here, and if I select the USB and select object and go here, I will have my USB here, as you can see, with all the details, even here. And absolutely everything on this object is editable. As you can see here, I have this, and the bool object for this one is pretty simple. I will just show the bool object. I will click here. I will exit the local view, just to show you. Here I have my local view. Up. I have this one normally. Yes, it seems to be this one. If this one I make it where is my viewport display? Here I make it in solid, I will have this. And even on the bool object, if I hide all the modifiers, up, come here, as you can see, this is that. So with the modifiers like that, I can edit the other object. So I will choose wire to keep it, and I will have directly my result really nice. So select object, hop, hop, zoom. As you can see, all the details. And if, for example, I select all of this, just to show you, I will press B, I will select all of this, I will just come here. I need to select one object to have an active object. I will launch my code, and if I activate the this, I will have that. So, as you can see, this is just some cube, some plane, etc., etc. And this one is just a curve. So if I hide the depth, I will press Ctrl C and I will press 0, like that. This is that. And the other is this one. On this one, I will just remove the subdivision surface, like that. This is that. And on this one, if I press run script, you will see. I will just press pause. So this one is that. So a lot of details, and I even have some bump here. As you can see, the result is pretty nice. So I will select it again. Hoopla. I will run script, and I will now select everything up, and I will run script. Just have to wait. And that's it. All my details, absolutely everything is editable. On this one I can select the object, I can edit the bevels, so I have to wait here. I can edit the bevels, this one, the width, the number of segments, like that. I can edit the last bevel, I can edit this object, I can make it more inside the other one. I can do everything. I can select this one, I can edit this screw. For example, here, the screw is for this one is for that. For example, if I make something like that, as you can see, absolutely everything is editable. And this is for me really interesting because I can do whatever I want. So, I will exit this. I have my object here. I will just, no, I will select everything like that. I need an active object. I will make this and run script, and my object is just that. So as you can see, this is pretty nice. On this one I could have made just a plane and solidify, or a screw maybe. Solidify should have been okay, but I needed to add some lines correctly on the text to have something correct. But as you can see, all of this is just that, and everything is perfect. Absolutely everything is perfect. I don't have any issue on the normals or else. And also I can make some object like this one if I show the wire. As you can see, this is pretty you have something really nice like that, not homogenic, it's not the word, sorry for that, I don't remember the proper word, it's late, I have some difficulties. Okay, so this one is just that, okay? So screw, like that, bevels, 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 and I can edit the number of segments of all of this. I can play with the profile if I want, etc, etc. So this is pretty nice. I can edit absolutely everything on every object, and for me this is the perfect workflow. I hope you like it, but I really like it. And you can make such assets like that with all the details, with proper results without adding subdivision surface. Of course you can on some objects like this one, for example, you can add subdivision surface because I made it correct. This one is just that, and I made it correct with Boolean, bevels, etc. And if I add a subdivision surface, I will have something perfect, as you can see. So in this case I really don't need subdivision surface. I have the same result. So that's it. On this tutorial I need to make the Eevee render and I will be done. And that will be on tuto.com, like the NAS Synology DS412+. Okay, see you later, bye.